Hello everyone, Almin here again with another video tutorial in 3ds Max. What I want to do here is I just want to run you quickly through how you can create bridges between the buildings and couple of modifiers, and also through some compound objects like boolean, proboolean, and morph. So I have created a little bridge here, and this bridge is done by using the bridge tool. I'll show you how you can quickly do another one. So under the Modify tab, you first need to increase the number of segments horizontally as well as vertically. This will depend on number of floor levels in your building. The same thing you'll have to do for another one. And let's say, for example, if you want to bridge those two points, those two elements here with some of those elements on the other side, what you will have to do is you will have to convert one of them to editable poly. So if you apply edit polygon, and if you scroll down and if you attach and you click on the other one, you'll be able to use a editable poly elements, editable polygons, and then you'll have to be able to use a bridge tool. So the way to connect two buildings is by clicking on one of them, and you'll notice that the line appears above the street. And if you click on the other side of the building, this will create a bridge automatically. So let's create another one here, and let's connect it, maybe this one, and bridge it to the other side of the road, maybe to this one. So that's how you create bridges, by using a bridge tool. Another way to create bridges is by extrusion. So you click on polygon, you come under selection profiles here, you click on the polygon, and then you select any polygon you want to extrude. And from here, you just come down under the edit polygons, and then you click on extrude. You actually click on this little button next to extrude, which will bring you another dialog box, and you can actually extrude for the preferred amount, and after you extrude, you click OK. So another thing I want to show you here is how can you quickly, for example, subtract or add to a different elements. I'll just get out of this. For example, if you create any of standard primitives, across here, maybe let's give it some width and height, and let's maybe put it on top of the other building. What you can use to align two elements is the align tool, which is this one here. So if you click on that one, and if you click on this element, it will and you select the maximum center, pivot point, or minimum, You can choose from various different options here, and when you click OK, it's actually aligned to the bottom of this building. So let's try to align everything to the top of this building. I will use align tool again. We'll click on this one. Yeah, we'll select this one and we'll click on that one. Let's try to use maximum. If you use maximum, it will align everything to the preferred option. What I want to show you now is just how you can quickly subtract by using ProBoolean tool. So ProBoolean and Boolean, they are both compound objects and they're located here. So first you select the building that you want to subtract from. You select Boolean. You come down under the upper hand parameters and you select subtract, and then you come up there and click on add operands and you click on this one, bang, and this will automatically subtract from this building. What else you can do here is you can apply some very cool modifiers like twist. If you apply twist to this one and you change the angle, it will actually make this building much more expensive than it is now. Another one is lattice, which is also a very interesting one. Can give various of different outcomes. There are a lot of parameters here that you can set up, so like number of elements, then radius of lattice, and many others. Another thing you can do here, if you want to add a little bit more interesting view of the top of the building, you can apply edit poly. Edit poly, you can select the polygon, this one, and then you can apply grable on top of that one. If you increase maximum size and the maximum height, this will give some a bit more natural look on the top of the building. They usually look like this. There are a couple of buildings in Melbourne that have similar element to this. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help